Good morning, children. We will start with the lesson Nutrition in Plants today. Before going ahead with the lesson, let's understand the term nutrition. Nutrition means the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Like we know that only by taking proper nutrition or nutrients we can grow and be healthy. In the similar way, plants also need nutrition to grow. Plant nutrition is the study of the chemical elements and compounds necessary for plant growth. In its absence, plant is unable to complete its normal life. Plants exhibit two modes of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. We shall learn about the two modes of nutrition in this lesson. In today's session, we will learn about the contribution of different scientists in the field of plant nutrition. Van Helmont. Previously, it was believed that plants grew by eating soil. Van Helmont performed an experiment to prove this wrong. After the experiment, he concluded that most of the mass the plant gained had come from water because that was the only thing that he had added to the pot. Now let's understand the experiment done by him. Van Helmont conducted an experiment that continued for 5 years. He took a small willow plant and planted it in a large pot of soil. Before he did this, he carefully measured the mass of dry soil and mass of the tree. He covered the soil with a lid so that nothing could fall onto the surface of the soil and add to its mass. The tree was left for 5 years. At the end of 5 years, he measured the mass of soil and mass of the plant. Now he compared the mass of plant and soil with that he measured at the beginning of the experiment. It was observed that the mass of the tree increased many times, but mass of the soil remained almost same. So it proved that plants did not eat soil, but they took only water. Stephen Hales described the leaves as the organs of transpiration. That is, loss of excess water from plant body is called as transpiration. We have learned that. So, he said that plants exchange gases with their surrounding air. He was the one to point out a possible role of light in plant nutrition. Priestley carried out a sequence of experiments and concluded that what animals were doing to the air was being reversed by plants. That is, according to him, if animals were making the air impure, plants were making it pure. Yes, children, what are animals doing to the air? They are giving out carbon dioxide and making it impure. On the other hand, plants are taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen and making the air pure again. This was proved by Joseph Priestley. Ingenhouse repeated Priestley's experiments under different conditions and found that only green parts of the plants when exposed to sunlight could do it. He found out the role of water, air and sunlight in the process of photosynthesis. In our next class, we will learn about the modes of nutrition in plants. Thank you.